Are you diligently hitting the gym 5 days a week and consuming 120 grams of protein daily, yet still struggling to see the muscle gains you expect? You're not alone. What if the fitness advice you've been following is missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? The secret to unlocking your true muscle building potential, especially as you get older, might not be found in another scoop of protein powder, but in a mineral that's often overlooked. Forget everything you thought you knew, because today we're revealing the one thing that could be holding you back from achieving the strong, healthy body you deserve. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn will change the way you approach fitness forever. For years, the mantra in the fitness world has been protein, protein, protein. We've been led to believe that as long as we consume enough protein and lift weights, muscle growth is inevitable. But what if that's only half the story? The startling truth is that without sufficient magnesium, all your efforts in the gym and your meticulous protein tracking might be in vain. This essential mineral is the unsung hero of muscle function, playing a pivotal role in muscle contraction and relaxation. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing magnesium, making it even more critical for seniors who are serious about maintaining and building muscle mass. The common advice to simply pop a magnesium supplement might not be the answer either. Many supplements on the market are not easily absorbed by the body and lack the synergistic cofactors found in natural food sources. This means you could be wasting your money and, more importantly, your time. But don't worry, because in this video, we're going to unveil 3 natural food sources of magnesium that are up to 10 times more effective than their synthetic counterparts. We'll start with a common vegetable you probably have in your refrigerator right now, and then reveal the ultimate magnesium powerhouse that most people completely overlook. The verdant powerhouse, spinach. Let's delve into our first muscle-building ally, spinach. Before we explore its magnesium content, it's essential to understand why this mineral is so vital for muscle growth, particularly in older adults. As we age, our muscles have a tendency to remain in a state of partial contraction, losing their ability to fully relax and recover after exercise. Think of it like a fist that never completely opens. This is where magnesium works its magic. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, allowing your muscles to fully release, which in turn facilitates blood flow, nutrient delivery, and ultimately the repair and growth process. For seniors whose bodies are less adept at absorbing minerals, getting enough magnesium isn't just beneficial, it's absolutely crucial. Now, you might be wondering how a simple leafy green can make such a profound difference. A single cup of cooked spinach boasts an impressive 157 milligrams of magnesium, which is nearly 40% of the recommended daily intake for most seniors. What's more, the magnesium found in spinach is in a highly bioavailable form, meaning your body can absorb it 1.5 times more efficiently than the magnesium in many supplements. But the benefits of spinach don't stop there. This verdant vegetable is also rich in folate and potassium, nutrients that work in synergy to reduce muscle inflammation, allowing for faster recovery and stronger growth. Folate in particular plays a key role in protein synthesis, the very process by which your body uses the protein you consume to build new muscle tissue. A compelling study from Harvard University followed nearly 3,000 seniors over a 4-year period and found that those who regularly consumed magnesium-rich leafy greens like spinach maintained significantly more muscle mass and strength than those with lower magnesium intakes. This modern scientific finding echoes the wisdom of ancient Mediterranean cultures, who for centuries have utilized cooked spinach to combat what they termed muscle weakness in the elderly. Incorporating cooked spinach into your diet is simple and delicious. To preserve its vital nutrients, steam fresh spinach leaves for just 2 to 3 minutes with a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of sea salt. Avoid overcooking, as this can diminish its vitamin content. For breakfast, try a flavorful spinach and feta omelette. At lunchtime, create a satisfying meal of grilled chicken and potatoes with a creamy garlic parmesan sauce enriched with spinach. For a light yet fulfilling dinner, saute shrimp with garlic and butter, stir in fresh spinach, and serve it over a bed of brown rice. The mighty kernel, pumpkin seeds. While spinach is a fantastic source of magnesium, relying on it alone may not be enough to achieve your muscle building goals. To truly maximize your results, you need to introduce our next magnesium powerhouse, pumpkin seeds. These unassuming seeds pack an incredible nutritional punch, delivering a massive 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. That's nearly half of the daily requirement for most seniors. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds is chelated with amino acids, a form that directly supports muscle protein synthesis and fortifies the cellular energy systems within your muscle fibers. This translates to more efficient workouts and enhanced muscle recovery. What many people don't realize is that pumpkin seeds are also a rich source of zinc and phosphorus, two minerals commonly found in expensive muscle-building supplements. These nutrients play a crucial role in optimizing testosterone production and accelerating muscle repair, allowing you to build strength at a pace you may have thought was no longer possible. A recent 3-month study involving 72 seniors demonstrated the remarkable effects of daily pumpkin seed consumption. Participants experienced a 23% increase in grip strength and a 31% improvement in their overall muscle function scores. The historical significance of pumpkin seeds is also noteworthy. Native American cultures have revered them for their muscle-strengthening properties for over a millennium. Preparing pumpkin seeds is a breeze. Simply roast them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt until they are golden and crispy. The real magic happens when you combine the power of pumpkin seeds with cooked spinach. This dynamic duo creates a comprehensive absorption pathway that your muscles can't get from any single source. The magnesium from the spinach promotes immediate muscle relaxation, while the minerals in the pumpkin seeds provide sustained cellular energy. For a protein-packed breakfast, sprinkle roasted pumpkin seeds over Greek yogurt with berries. At lunch, toss them into a salad with grilled chicken for added crunch and nutrition. As a pre-dinner snack, a small handful of seasoned pumpkin seeds can help prepare your body for optimal nutrient absorption from your evening meal. The ancient superfood, chia seeds. Now that we've explored the benefits of spinach and pumpkin seeds, it's time to introduce the final piece of our muscle-building puzzle, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional giant, providing a substantial 95 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, which equates to nearly a quarter of the daily needs for most seniors. The magnesium in chia seeds is uniquely bound with omega-3 fatty acids, a combination that enhances muscle membrane function and strengthens the electrical signals that govern muscle contractions. This leads to improved muscle coordination and a reduction in cramps during physical activity. Beyond their magnesium content, chia seeds are also an excellent source of calcium and protein, two other essential nutrients for muscle growth. This powerful trio optimizes the cycles of muscle contraction and relaxation and accelerates tissue repair, helping you maintain your muscle mass more effectively. A groundbreaking 12-week study involving 67 seniors found that daily consumption of chia seeds led to a 19% increase in walking endurance and a 26% improvement in muscle power output. The researchers attributed these impressive results to the unique synergy of omega-3s and magnesium found in chia seeds, a combination that proved superior to standard mineral supplements. The historical use of chia seeds by Aztec warriors for sustained strength during long battles further attests to their remarkable muscle-fueling properties. To prepare chia seeds, it's crucial to soak them in water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. This step is vital to prevent constipation and ensure they expand to their full potential. The secret to unlocking maximum muscle growth lies in combining all three of our magnesium powerhouses: spinach, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. This creates a triple-action muscle support system that provides your body with folate-enhanced magnesium, amino acid-bound minerals, and omega-3 activated absorption. For a nutritious breakfast, stir soaked chia seeds into your overnight oats. At lunch, blend them into your protein smoothie for added thickness and a nutritional boost. For dinner, sprinkle soaked chia seeds over your steamed vegetables about 15 minutes before eating to ensure optimal magnesium release during your body's evening recovery and overnight repair cycle. The muscle-sabotaging duos to avoid. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of these 3 magnesium-rich superfoods, it's equally important to be aware of the common dietary pitfalls that can sabotage your muscle-building efforts. It doesn't matter how much spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds you consume if you're pairing them with certain foods that can actually counteract their benefits and even harm your body. After extensive research and consultation with top muscle experts, 2 major culprits have been identified that seniors must avoid. The first food to never combine with your magnesium-rich meals is soda. These fizzy drinks contain phosphoric acid, a substance that acts as a magnesium thief, binding to the mineral and preventing its absorption by your muscles. A 2020 study involving 180 older adults revealed that those who drank soda with their magnesium-rich meals absorbed only 45% of the mineral compared to those who abstained. The detrimental effects of phosphoric acid don't stop there. It can also pull existing magnesium out of your muscles, further depleting your body's stores. What's even more alarming is that the combination of soda and magnesium can create harmful compounds that accumulate in your muscles, leading to weakness and accelerated muscle loss. The simple solution is to avoid drinking soda within 3 hours of consuming magnesium-rich foods. Opt for healthier alternatives like water with lemon or ginger tea. The second food to steer clear of, especially at breakfast, is high-sodium cereal. Many seniors start their day with a bowl of cereal, believing it to be a healthy choice. However, combining high-sodium cereals with magnesium-rich foods creates a perfect storm for muscle destruction. Even a moderate amount of sodium can increase magnesium loss by up to 35% by interfering with your kidney's ability to retain the mineral. A 10-week study of 180 seniors found that those who consumed high-sodium cereals within 2 hours of their magnesium-rich foods had significantly lower magnesium levels. This is because excess sodium forces the kidneys to work overtime, and as we age, our kidneys become less efficient at conserving essential minerals. The combination of high sodium and magnesium can also lead to the formation of harmful compounds in muscle tissue, causing weakness. To avoid this, choose cereals with less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving, or better yet, opt for low-sodium oatmeal. Now that you're aware of these dangerous food combinations, take a moment to reflect on your own dietary habits. Have you been unknowingly sabotaging your muscle-building efforts? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. For those who are serious about finally achieving the strong, healthy muscles you desire, I've created a comprehensive resource just for you. My 93+ high-protein recipes to kill sarcopenia, even at 85, is packed with high-protein, high-collagen, and magnesium-rich meals designed to work synergistically to boost your muscle growth. You'll find the link in the pinned comment or the description below. And be sure to subscribe, because tomorrow I'll be sharing a scientifically proven secret to boost arm strength by 31% without any exercise at all. You won't want to miss it. The second fatal combination: magnesium foods and high-sodium cereals. The second food to immediately cut from your breakfast routine is high-sodium cereal. Many seniors mistakenly believe a bowl of branded cereal is a healthy way to start the day, but when you pair it with magnesium-rich foods like spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, you are creating a perfect storm that obliterates your muscle-building potential. Even a moderate amount of sodium, just 1 serving of regular cereal, can increase the loss of magnesium by up to 35%. High sodium interferes directly with your kidney's ability to retain the magnesium from your healthy foods, effectively flushing it down the drain before it reaches your muscles. The morning timing makes it worse, as it disrupts the natural, crucial magnesium absorption phase that should be happening at the start of your day. Studies have confirmed that excess sodium forces the kidneys, which are already less efficient in older adults, to work overtime. The true danger is that the imbalance created by high sodium and magnesium causes harmful compounds to accumulate in muscle tissue, leading to weakness. I treated a 68-year-old who faithfully ate her spinach and chia seeds every morning, only to follow it with her favorite high-sodium cereal. Her strength continued to decline for 3 months. After switching to low-sodium oatmeal, her leg strength increased by 18%, and she gained over a pound of muscle within a month. The solution is simple. Choose cereals with less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. Your muscle strength and independence depend on making sure your magnesium foods are not competing with high sodium in your system. Conclusion: your next steps and the ultimate muscle secret. Now that you know the 2 silent destroyers, sodas and high-sodium cereals, I have to ask you, which of these harmful combinations have you been accidentally eating alongside your healthy, magnesium-rich foods? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one, and I'm genuinely curious about your experience. If you are finally ready to stop guessing and start building the strong, resilient muscles you need at your age, I've created something essential just for you. My 93+ high-protein recipes to kill sarcopenia, even at 85. This complete guide contains over 93 high-protein, high-collagen, and magnesium-rich recipes that are specifically designed to work together to turbocharge your muscle growth. Every single meal avoids the harmful food combinations I just shared, and I've included the exact timing tips to get the most magnesium into your muscles. You can find the link to this complete meal plan in my pinned comment or in the description below. But here is the most exciting thing you need to know. Tomorrow, I am sharing a groundbreaking secret that will utterly change how you think about building arm strength. This scientifically proven technique has been shown to boost muscle activity by a staggering 31% without a single workout. I can only share this exclusive information with my loyal subscribers first. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now is the time. Trust me, you absolutely do not want to miss tomorrow's video. This arm strength secret is something you have never seen anywhere else. I'll see you soon.